Alright, hi everybody. Haley couldn't make it today, so I am going to show you how to do a bouncy egg, or make an egg bounce. So the supplies you will need will be an egg, or several. You might want to do several in case you puncture it and it breaks inside the glass jar. A glass jar that should have a cap onto it so the vinegar smell does not permeate throughout whichever room you're putting the glass in. Some tape, either scotch or duct tape. I'm going to use duct tape today to put over the hole or to cover the glass if it does not have a lid. You will need white vinegar, and you can choose to add some food coloring to it. If you do, it'll actually show, as the experiment progresses, it will show, the coloration will show how the egg changes as you do it. So the first step will be, you need to carefully place the egg into the glass container, making sure it does not break. Like so. And now you will add the vinegar in. And you will pour it in there until it covers the eggs. There we go, like so. And if you're doing multiple eggs like I'm gonna do, then almost had it right there. Go, that's covered. Add in food coloring. Now I'm going to add in the food coloring. Add a little bit more vinegar to that. There we go. Adding a little bit more vinegar because it looks like it's not over the top. And the food coloring you can find in the baking aisle of Target, Walmart, wherever you get groceries. There. The lids on them. And the lids I'm using have a little hole in the top, so I'm going to put a piece of duct tape over them. Like I said before, so the vinegar smell does not permeate through your kitchen or whichever room you're doing this experiment in. And now you will let the egg sit in the vinegar for 24 hours. And then after 24 hours, look at the egg. Did it grow? Did it shrink? Did the color change? And then after you check it after 24 hours, you will then leave it in for an additional 48 hours, so 2 more days. So it'll be soaking in vinegar for 3 full days. And I will come back in a few days and show you the results after they have sat for the next 3 days. Okay. Hi everybody, it's Tom again. It's been 3 days since I put the eggs in vinegar. I did check them on Saturday after they had been in there for 24 hours, and they all did get bigger. So now what I'm gonna do is gently take the eggs out of the jars and rinse them. Now normally you would do this in the sink at your home, but I don't want the vinegar smell to permeate throughout the library, so I'm outside the library doing it, washing the eggs off so the vinegar smell does not permeate throughout the library, because we don't want that. I'm just gonna pour the vinegar out, so. Okay, that broke. So the one that was in the green vinegar broke, so we have a yolk. And I did not mean for that to rhyme. Now, if you were doing this at home, obviously you'd be pouring the vinegar down the sink, so, but like I said, I'm outside, so I'm just pouring it on the concrete. This one actually looks pretty good. So what you're gonna do is wash it off. With water. And I can actually feel it being rubbery. So I'm gonna put this aside so I can get to the third one. And that one, okay, so there was 1 out of 3 that actually worked. Now, I don't know. So now I'm gonna take the egg and I'm gonna let it bounce and see how high and far it can go. Okay. That didn't work like I thought it was going to. So, and once you're done playing with the egg, when it bounces, this unfortunately did not bounce the way I thought it was going to. So once you're done with the eggs, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, because you can get bacteria. There's bacteria on the raw eggs, so you want to wash your hands off after you're done. And if you want to see the egg get bigger, which obviously mine aren't getting bigger, and it hasn't broken yet, you can just add a cup of water and bounce it again. Thank you.